I think I'm about to cut it all off. It's been like 2 months, bruh. My girl's birthday today. We going to dinner. She said it's not a clean cut. Don't come back.
Oh my Lord. That is actually crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
Man, how you feel about that?
I feel like you can't go wrong with the wave, but if a bald cut makes her happy, I gotta do it.
I definitely understand. You know, we could do the bald head, you know, for your lady for her birthday and just keep the beard. That's kind of crazy. You know, you got a full head of hair. I think a better solution for you, you know, we could like just cut the hair down to a nice low wavelength, give you a nice blurry taper, and make sure it give you a fresh line and make sure it pop out. I think your lady gonna like it. What you think, man?
I don't know, bro, but you the barber here. If you think that's what's gonna make me look best, bro, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, cool. So now tell me, when it comes to your haircut, what's most important to you?
Honestly, bro, I'm African, so you know my genes aren't really, they not fighting for me, bro. So if this hairline not straight, bro, it don't matter.
Okay, I got you. You definitely gonna get it right. You ready for the cut?
Yeah, brother, get me right.
All right, let me put you back in the game.
Yes, sir.